Welcome to today's guided mindfulness meditation. Finding yourself a quiet place to sit or lie down. Making any final adjustments, getting yourself as comfortable as possible as you begin to close down your eyes. Taking a moment here to acknowledge yourself for showing up for today's practice. Taking a moment to acknowledge that the next quarter of an hour is you time. This is time for you. Take a long, slow, deep breath in. Hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale, allowing any tension to melt away as you gradually relax more and more, deeper and deeper with each breath. Take another long, slow, deep breath in, hold it, and then exhale, emptying your lungs completely with your out-breath. Take a third deep breath in, and in your own time, hold it for a moment, and then let it go. Already you are beginning to drift into a state of deep relaxation. Continue to breathe slowly and gently, allowing yourself to relax. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Sense or imagine a feeling of relaxation beginning to spread down from the top of your scalp. Let the muscles in your forehead and temples relax. Allow your eyes to relax. Let your cheeks and jaw soften and let go of all tension. Now this peaceful feeling flows down your neck and deep into the muscles of your shoulders, soothing and releasing them. Breathe. Allow this peaceful feeling to flow through your arms, relaxing and soothing all the way through the tips of your fingers. As your body relaxes, your mind relaxes. Your thoughts become weightless, like wisps on the clouds of a breeze. Now the peaceful sensation flows down through your chest and into your stomach. Feel how this area gently rises and falls as you breathe, slowly and deeply, soothing and relaxing. Turn your attention to your back and feel this relaxing sensation flow all the way down your spine. Now the peaceful feeling flows through your lower body, relaxing your glutes and the back of your thighs. The front of your thighs relax. Feel all these large, strong muscles becoming loose and relaxed. Soothing feelings flow down through your knees and into your calves. Your ankles relax, and now your feet relax. Your entire body is soft, calm, and relaxed. And now it is time to leave the external world behind and go on an inner journey. A journey to a remarkable place, the seas of your inner consciousness. Imagine with every breath you take that you are strolling on the beach, you decide to walk slowly into the water of relaxation. The water is the sea of consciousness and the sea of self-awareness. As you step forward, with every breath you take, with each wave of energy, you are going deeper and deeper into that which is the source of who you are. Feel the sand under your feet and feel the water lapping gently against your legs, calling you in, inviting you in. Feel the water slowly reaching your waist, going higher and higher till you actually swim under the water into a beautiful wave. You can safely, calmly enjoy breathing deeply in this beautiful space. And as you take a deep breath, you feel the beautiful calmness enveloping you in a light of azure, blue, green color. This colorful light washes off all the anxieties and worries, any calamities or negative thoughts, and leaves you calm and centered. You continue wading in, noticing beautiful corals and fish swimming around you, and the water changes to deeper blues, bringing with it lightness and a wonderful sensation of bodiless movement, as if you are no longer limited by your physical body. You simply exist in that space, and this awareness energizes you. Every part of your being is being filled with love and energy. It is shining. You continue to swim in deeper and deeper, and the water begins to change color to indigo. You notice how you feel being enveloped in this deep blue indigo color. As you begin to twirl inside that color, it gives you radiance and the ability to listen to nature and yourself that beyond this space perhaps you would not possess. It sharpens your intuition and your awareness. And with every deep breath you take, you become aware of more and more things happening around you in that space. Aware of the sounds, the colors, and the smells. Be aware that you're in a special place that invigorates you and fills you like a battery with new life, fresh new energy. You continue to wade even deeper, entering a special place of golden light, and this golden light envelopes you like a cloud of golden dust. It's a beautiful light that makes every organ, every particle, and every ounce of your being shine with radiance. Feel how it affects your being. Feel how much energy it gives you. How your eyes start to sparkle, how your hearing begins to sharpen, and how your taste buds become more aware of everything around you, and how you become aware of your body in a new, beautiful way. Feeling the blood circulation running to and fro, making you feel alive like you've never felt before. If you want to notice something special, a special gift just for you, you might find a little stone, an object, or a starfish, something in this space that is attracting your attention. This is a gift for you. Take it to your heart and think what it might mean to you. What message does it bring to you? Continue to move on with your present, in your pocket and in your heart. After you've enjoyed this beautiful blessed light, start walking back towards the shore. With every breath you take and every step back towards the beach, towards the shore, the colors recede and change back to warmer colors, to the reds and the oranges. The water, gently lapping at your body, envelopes you with warmth and light. As you continue to walk on the shore, now it's the yellows. Here we finally break the water back to the beach. Find a place to lie down on the sand, on the warm sand. Feel the sea licking your toes and your feet as it comes in and out. Become aware of your body lying on the warm sand. Noticing your organs laying heavy in your body, sinking into that sand. Feel the earth giving its energy back to you. Massaging your body with every particle of sand. Feel how your lungs breathe deeply this beautiful air and you can smell the sea around you and the clear blue sky. Embrace the wind and the cry of the seagulls. Enjoy the perfection of life and the radiance, health and vitality it gives you. Gradually, become more and more aware of your body and its fullness. As you gently bring some light movement to your hands and your toes, perhaps even inviting in a light stretch, taking a moment to acknowledge yourself for showing up for today's practice. As you gently begin to open your eyes, returning to the day, energized and revitalized.